oral sex is often lauded as the cherry on top of the orgasmic cake for both parties involved, but for some women it can be difficult to enjoy. Staying in the moment, whether you're giving or receiving, is a huge aspect when it comes to making the most of oral, which is why sex expert Wendy Strgar, CEO of organic lube brand Good Clean Love and the author of forthcoming book Sex That Works, A Woman's Guide to Embracing the Erotic, Awakening Arousal, and Deepening Intimacy, says that women should consider slowing down and giving into the heat of the moment. Advertisement. Continue reading BELOW. I think that women who have a lot of anxiety about oral sex, she says, are the ones who are trying to perform a sexual act that doesn't turn them on. It easily turns into performance anxiety, and it is really hard to stay present when what you are doing doesn't excite you, and much of the performance anxiety is hardly necessary, according to Megan Caston, a relationship coach from Marriage 365, since she says that the most important thing is that your partner senses that you want him. Knowing you're excited to serve is more powerful than any technique you're missing, she says. Below, we asked Strgar and Caston on their best tips for making oral sex more enjoyable for both parties. Getty OMG 1. Take your time. Caston says that the best way to rev up the moment may be counterintuitive. Slow down the foreplay rather than rushing into things. Use this time to explore and gently kiss all over his body. This teasing will get to him excited about what's in store next and begin to increase his anticipation. Don't rush through this, but allow both of you to be completely present. Point 2. Use your hands. Strgar recommends using scented oil for starters and allowing the moment to be a process for both partners. Caston agrees, saying, be sure to have a firm grip on the base of his shaft and have your lips go at least to the base of his frenulum, where the head of his penis connects to the shaft and the most sensitive part of his penis. In a rhythmic motion, let your lips meet your hands. Advertisement. Continue reading Bella 1. Don't forget his other sensitive bits. Embrace his testicles. There are a ton of nerve endings in his scrotum, and gently caressing and massaging while performing oral sex will certainly send him over the edge. Related article. What to do if you struggle to orgasm. 3. Let go. Letting go of worries and fears and bringing a sense of focus to the task at hand can help you get into the mood and actually enjoy pleasuring your partner. Strgar says, when you are not into oral sex, and it doesn't turn you on sexually, the act becomes perfunctory, and over time may be a source of resentment. I don't personally recommend doing things sexually for others that don't feel arousing to you, because you can easily slip into the opposite, of not wanting to be sexual at all, or worse still, like your arousal is less important. Getty Image. Trevor Adelin.